Today I'm going to address a second question that is being asked by many people who are questioning usual scientific dogmas, and that question is the total amount of matter and energy always the same in the universe? And once again, this is the second dogma, scientific dogma, that Rupert Sheldrake is addressing in his book Science Set Free, which I highly recommend. Science Set Free. So here's what is being questioned about the law of conservation of energy and matter. For the last several years, we've known that only 4% of the universe is actually regular atomic matter, and most of that is hydrogen and helium and interstellar dust, and only less than 0.1% of atomic matter goes to create the billions of galaxies and stars that are part of our universe. And the rest of the matter in the universe, about 25%, is dark matter. We don't know what it is. It has no atomic energy, in that it's not atomic matter. It does not reflect light, absorb light, or emit light. So we actually don't know what it is. There are many candidates for this material. Dr. Joel Primack calls the particles of dark matter weakly interactive massive particles, whatever that means. But apparently when two chunks of dark matter collide, they just go through each other because it's invisible. That's about 25% of the universe, and then the rest of the 70% that makes up the total 95-96% is dark energy, which is ripping galaxies apart faster than the speed of light and is apparently increasing. The quantum vacuum is where all this apparently must emerge from. And this is a vacuum which is also referred to as the zero-point energy field, and from here subatomic particles that compose regular atomic matter pop in and out as virtual particles or virtual photons. So it all gets very mysterious. Is this all increasing? Can dark matter someday be used to make energy? Can we make energy from the quantum vacuum anywhere in the universe? These are technologies that many people are now looking at. Here's the important thing. Biological organisms in general, which is you and me, in a state of health, are actually thermodynamically uphill, in which case they disobey the law of entropy because they are anti-entropic, thermodynamically uphill, at least in the state of health. Also, biological organisms are teleologically driven, which means they have purpose, and that purpose, at least in the state of good health, is homeostasis. So these are very interesting concepts to entertain. Dr. Sheldrake, in his book, asked the following questions. He says, is your belief in the conservation of matter and energy an assumption, or is it based on evidence? If so, what is the evidence? Do you think that dark matter is conserved? Can you accept that there may be a continuous creation of dark energy as the universe expands? If there is a vast amount of energy in the quantum vacuum field, do you think that we might be able to tap into it as a source of free energy, inexhaustible? So much to ponder here. What do you think? Is the total amount of energy and matter a constant, or is that just a belief, a dogma? I recommend once again that you look into this if you're interested, because it may change the way you think about the universe and think about yourself as the new paradigm in science emerges. So thank you for listening. More to come later.